Hey YouTube, we're going to jump right in. This is Holiday Cocoa chapstick and it smells like peppermint bark. It smells so good. We're going to jump right in. Today is December 24th, wee hours of the morning. It's like 4:30 in the morning. I'm dealing with migraines and so I'm just like, troll, go lay down. But I wanted to have this up for December 25th. I personally don't celebrate Christmas. I know a lot of people do. So I thought, what would be a fun thing to do for some of the items I need to go ahead and give away. I said when I had reached 700, I would start rolling out giveaways, and I have a video. I will put that as the end cap. And actually, before I hit 700, I did start with the skincare mystery giveaway boxes. So anyway, this one is very special, I think, because you get to pick your prize. There will be one winner. It will be chosen from a random generator. You need to be publicly subscribed, and the other information will be down below. So make sure you read that information. So I'm not going to open everything up. And the reason I mentioned the video I'm going to put as an end cap is so you can go back and see what the items were, because I don't want to keep opening up packages because air gets in, all this and this and that. And I want things to stay as new as possible. So you will have a choice between, this is Nomad Cosmetics Haunted Europe, and after I opened them for that video I did seal it back up how it came. So this is Haunted Europe. I did say for America's Parks, excuse me for the noise, I was going to include the two highlighters in it, but what I decided to do was, since I then purchased the gloss set from the Fête de Provence collection, I'm going to put the highlighters with the glosses. So that way, if you want to sparkle and shine on your cheeks and your lips, you can do that. So that's another option for you. And in here is America's Parks. So that's another option. The last two options, this is Natasha Denona's Zendo palette. I have it, I mixed it with Sunrise because some shades from both palettes did not show up with my skin tone. And so I put some of the Sunrise shades in with the Zendo palette, and I really, really, really do like that. And this one is Natasha Denona Sunset, and it's in the box that it came in. Everything is packaged the way it came to me. So your options are Nomad Haunted Europe palette, Nomad America's Parks palette, which I think is going to be retired soon. I saw on one of their Instagram stories or a post that America's Parks, once it's sold out, is retired, or it already is retired, except they do have it in the set that they had with other palettes. But as just the palette by itself, I don't think it's available anymore. Your other option will be the two highlighters and the gloss set together, or Natasha Denona Zendo, or Natasha Denona Sunset palette. Yeah, so those are your options. So you have 5 options. Is it 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, I can count. Yay me! So those are your options to pick your prize. Yeah, so that's going to be it for this video. It will run for a few weeks, and also in January I will have some other giveaways to do. And keep in mind, there's only one winner for this, which means the other items will still be up for grabs for future giveaways. And yeah, so just make sure you read down below. Make sure you are publicly subscribed if you would like to enter. And yeah, that'll be it for this video. Thank you, and happy holidays, which is a holiday every month. So I always feel weird saying that. But Merry Christmas to those of you who celebrate, and even if you don't, happy December 25th as you pick your prize. And so I hope this brightens somebody's day. Just having the excitement of, I might win whatever it is you pick that you would like to win. So thank you, and you'll see me in the next video.